Welcome to MarineMax Rogers. I'm Jason Chapman, and today I have the pleasure of showing you a 2023 Sea Ray SDX 270 that just showed up here at our store in Rogers. A 27-foot boat here. We have our stainless steel anchor and windlass up there in the bow, along with all of our components inside and outside the boat. We did option this with the Sea Ray blue hull side and the white hull bottom, which looks really nicely with the sports tower up top. Coming back here to the swim platform, we have a great area to hang out when you're anchored. Good spot for kids to jump on and off the boat. We have our sea decking and then a submersible swim step that does go down into the water. 2 trim tabs on either side and then underwater lighting. And this is powered by a MerCruiser 300 Bravo 3. Let's hop up inside and check out some of the features. All right, so welcome inside the beautiful 270 we have here. Starting back here on the swim platform, we have a nice entryway inside the boat. Seating back here as well. Also have a built-in self-draining cooler, transom remote, freshwater rinse off, and a door that does secure into place. And then also another option is the step right here to get in and out of the boat. Just makes life a lot easier. We went with the stone upholstery right here. L-shaped seating back here. Tons of storage throughout the boat. Built up, all these cushions come up on hinges. And then also on this side, we have our built-in cooler as well. So making our way inside, looking at the top here at the tower, this does fold down if you need to put the boat underneath a lift or get under bridges. We have our captain and co-captain seating right here, both of which do have flip-up bolsters. And what I like about the SDX line is these seats on both sides will flip back, so you can sit back here and watch what's going on behind the boat. We also have a spacious head down here. Recessed glove box. And then over here at the helm, since this is a 300 horsepower Bravo 3, we do have the digital throttle and shift. Our tilt steering wheel right here. And then up here, we have the Simrad display screen. So right now it's showing some engine vitals. You can navigate through here, have your chart plotting. It's gonna be very accessible on this screen. Again, this is powered by Fusion Audio, so it's great sound quality across the boat. And then as we make our way up into the bow, some of those early mornings in Minnesota, it's cold, so we have our door dam right here that does close, and then our windshield locks into place, kind of blocking out some of that cold air. And then up in the bow, we have a center walkthrough, seating on either side, tons of room. This boat's located here at our store in Rogers. Give us a call, come on by, and make an appointment. We'd love to show you around. Thanks.